Mike is reading a book about animals. An elephant uses its nose to wash itself. A dog can find things with its nose. A giraffe does not use its nose. A giraffe uses its long neck to get the leaves. Mike feels hungry. What is that smell? His nose tells him there is a cake in the kitchen. I can have some cake for tea, says Mike. This is my nose, this is my nose. My nose can smell things, this is my nose. N. 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 Ah! My nose can smell the flower. Look at the word nose. Say nose. Nose. Children, let's say the letter N and the word nose. N. Nose. N. Nose. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter N. Neck. Say neck. Neck.